Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make some pancakes. So in here, what I have here is a bit of melted butter. Then I'm gonna add some sugar to it. For this you'll need a whisk. Here, just give it a little bit of stir. Then in here I have one egg and about 150 ml milk. So you can just whisk them together a bit, just to get the egg combined with the milk. Then I have some flour here. You can sieve it, just normal flour. In here a bit of salt and baking powder. So just add it in and give it a bit of mix. Gonna mix this until it's get smooth. This is what it looked like. Very nice, smooth consistency. Then you can get a spoon. Here I have a pan here on the fire. Add a bit of oil in. Swirl it around a bit. Give it a bit of turn. This one is ready. Add a little bit more. Don't need too much. they're rising nice. Give him a bit of turn. Just gonna tip a little bit more oil in. Turn him again. Time for him to come out. Dip a bit more oil in. Give it a bit of swirl around. With this pancake, you can have it with fruits, maple syrup, bit of strawberry, some creme fraiche, whatever you want to have with it, some peanut butter. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Give him a bit of turn. Flip him over again, just to make sure it's cooked even. Now, ready, good to go. Out. Probably can get one out of this or two. Get the oil over on the bottom of the pan. And this probably only give me one. Spread this one out a bit. Give them another turn. Turn the gas off. And that's finished. Put that aside. And I'll show you what you can do with this. Just put one, lay one here. One here. One there. Get a bit of creme fraiche. Bit of creme fraiche there. Some lovely maple syrup. Get some strawberry. You can cut the strawberry in any shape you desire. Put it on like this. And there you have it. Nice homemade pancake. And this is what it looked like. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment. Peace be unto you all.